In the previous lecture, you learned about the CSS rule set structure. In this lecture, you're going to learn the methods you can use to apply rule sets. So there's basically three methods you can use to apply CSS rule sets. Number one, inline CSS styles. This method is defined right inside the HTML element tag and will only affect this particular element, but you can certainly define one or more rule sets. Number two, internal style sheet. This method is defined within the head section. All CSS rules added this way will only be available to the current HTML document. Number three, external style sheet. It's basically a separated CSS file that can be linked to one or more web pages. Now, this is a very convenient method because all changes that are made in a CSS file affect all web pages in which it has been included. Well, that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to put these three methods into practice.